Let us listen to how rate attribute changes the speed of speech. If we listen carefully, we can perceive the changes in the generated speech. Let us start. Rate is default. Jupiter is the largest planet. Rate is x slow. Jupiter is the largest planet. Rate is slow. Jupiter is the largest planet. Rate is 50%. Jupiter is the largest planet. Rate is medium. Jupiter is the largest planet. Rate is 120%. Jupiter is the largest planet. Rate is fast. Jupiter is the largest planet. Rate is x fast. Jupiter is the largest planet.